Welcome back to Scholarships 365 YouTube channel. In today's video, we have come up with an amazing topic, which is how you can earn online. And with these best online earning websites where you don't need to invest a single penny and you can start earning from today. And you can earn up to $100 per day. So let's start. So, if you're looking for a trusted website, you have come to the right place because in today's video, I'm going to tell about the best 10 online earning websites for even if you are a student or you are doing a job or anything. You just need to have some extra time and you can be anywhere and you can avail this opportunity. So these are the trusted websites. You don't worry, there is nothing like scam here. So the number first online earning website is Google AdSense. With the help of the Google AdSense service, websites can make money online by running ads on their websites and web pages and blogs. So you can make your own websites of any topic that you are interested in, and you can make it like through WordPress and many other websites are available. So you just need to have a website and then you can apply for your Google AdSense. After applying to Google AdSense, the Google approves your website and you just need to register yourself and then initiate and displaying and insert a code in your website's header for the Google Ads, where they will be displayed in your website, and you need to have a little bit of a traffic, and you can start by boosting it for more views and clicks, and then you can start withdrawing your money that you have earned from Google AdSense after you approach to $100 threshold. So let's see. Okay guys, so this is Google AdSense website. Here is an option for sign in and get started. The process is very easy. You can earn money from your websites and ads optimized for mobile also save time. Yes, guys, so the number second online earning site is Udemy. Even someone without prior teaching expertise can lead a class. When you sign up to become an instructor on Udemy, they will inquire about your background, your comfort level with utilizing video, and whether you currently have a following of learners who are fascinated by your program. So you can select a program category and make videos according to that topic and prepare your program for launch and then promote your program to with the help of the link with your contacts, make coupons for additional savings and have money automatically deducted from your bank account each month. Yes guys, so this is the Udemy website. You can click on teach on Udemy. So you have many reasons to start, teach your way, inspire learners, and get rewarded. How you can begin, plan your curriculum, and then record your video, and then you can launch your course. This is very easy, and you just need to go here and make your profile and write down about your educational background, and that's it. And then start making videos. So the third one is Empire Flippers. Empire Flippers is a digital business platform that was formed in 2011. With Empire Flippers, purchasing and trading businesses are now very simple. This is a marketplace basically which connects vendors with a large number of customers. So it provides three basically easy ways of earning online. So first you can sell your business on Empire Flippers. Individuals can sell their company if they have a site with some specific traffic and a specific objective. To accept bids, respond to a few inquiries about their company and post them. So the number second method is purchase a business from more than 150 different businesses. Anyone can purchase a site. Accessing the listing, checking out the site, and then making their purchase are all you need to achieve. And the number third is website flipping. Purchase a website with emerging growth, invest some time in it, and then resell it on Empire Flippers for a profit. So let's check. Yes, guys, this is the Empire Flippers website. You can check all the details here. This is marketplace and this is for sellers. This is related to company resources and you can get started. You can register your account and join the Empire Flippers now. So the number fourth one is Skillshare. Skillshare is a digital learning organization for creators similar to Udemy. You may acquire a wide range of creative and professional capabilities such as motion graphics, videography, website designing, and more. You may use the network to interact with other professionals, explore exciting options, and receive feedback on your creation. So, on Skillshare, there are a couple of alternative techniques to earn online money. Being a teacher and offering classes that people will pay for is one approach, and the second one is to sign up as a paid member, which grants you access to special services on materials that aren't accessible to free users. By recommending new users to the platform, you can also make money through the Skillshare affiliate link. So, this is the link to the Skillshare. Explore your creativity with thousands of hands on classes. Get creative with Skillshare and you can get started for free here. And you can see different fields are available here. Many options are available. So, the number fifth one is YouTube, which is quite a lot of in trending nowadays. And you can start by making your YouTube channel. Even though YouTube offers an opportunity, it is not a platform for getting rich overnight. YouTube requires patience, dedication, and a commitment. You need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours to be eligible for YouTube Partner Program, which means that they will start showing the ads on your videos and then you can start earning. So, first of all, what you need to do is make some videos and start uploading them. And it will take some time, but you will get the subscribers and the watch hours. So, that is basically as called as YouTube monetization. When your YouTube will be monetized, you will have that affiliate marketing. You can advertise a service or commodity in your video through sponsorship, and you can make a separate channel for charging viewers only using the subscription based channel feature. So the number sixth is Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace act as an online community or reseller platform that links buyers and suppliers. Finding and offering goods and services online has never been easier. You can list stuff for sale or look for goods and services that customer needs and wants to buy. So, you can produce a service or goods that Facebook people would find attractive and create a listing on Facebook business and then define your requirements for cost and quality, use social networking sites and other internet platforms to advertise your business and you can accept bids. Yes, so the number seventh one is Flippa. Flippa is the foremost platform for selling blogs, websites, and application e-commerce enterprises and online services similar to Empire Flippers. So assess the worth of your company and then use Flippa to advertise your online resource or business for sale. Once connected, you may communicate, bargain, and decide on the parameters of the deal with buyers. Do your thorough research and you will get rewarded. For safe dealings, FIPA also offers company transferring and banking services. First thing you can do is build then sell. The concept is to start a business from zero and then sell it to a buyer for a slightly higher compared to your payment. Buy and keep and then sell. Purchase a future responsive online business, keep it for 2 or 5 years, and then sell it for more money. Flip a business, purchase an online business now, and resell it in a month to a maximum of 6 months. The greatest alternative for fast money this is. So this is the link to the Flippa, the number one marketplace to buy and sell apps. You can search here, like let's search on education. You can check here the pricing, the net profit, the monetization type. These are available here. So the number eighth one is Etsy, one of the leading online earning sites as of 2020. It was host to 4.37 million active suppliers who had exposure to 81.9 million active customers internationally. It's basically a e-commerce platform which was developed to give artists a platform to present and advertise a variety of products for sale, such as handcrafted goods, personalized apparel, vintage items, natural self-care goods, and many other. You can join Etsy as a dealer, put your items there, and then have accessibility worldwide. You can sign up for Etsy Plus to receive extra advantages, services, and increase your sale. Yeah, so this is Etsy, like personalized gifts, home decor, clothing, jewelry, furniture on sale. These are the popular gifts which are right now. So the number ninth one is Voicesense. This is an online earning site called Voicesense. Enables individuals to earn online money by doing basic things like viewing movies, doing some surveys, responding to some offers, downloading some apps, and then you can start earning. So all of the income you generate will be in US dollars and you can transfer it to your account by using Skrill, Payoneer, or PayPal. So you can receive additional surveys, make sure your account is complete, participate in the website, do as many projects as you can, and let's see. So you can just sign in and join, and then you can just start earning by doing some surveys. They also provide you with different offers like license offers, one ads, Review, Offertoro, IT Studios, AdGate, AdSense, Peanut Labs, and they all have different offers every day. You can complete those and you can earn cents and you can cash out through here. So the last one is Swagbucks. With the help of the website and mobile app Swagbucks, you can earn points for carrying out different online tasks, including viewing videos, doing surveys, making purchases through their online marketplace, and much more. So you can view videos and different perform just different activities, and you can start earning. Let's click here. So you can see this is Swagbucks, and you can join for free. Watch here the video. Yes, so you can perform different tasks, and here is earn points, get free gift cards. Yes guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video very useful and you can start earning online from today onwards and make hundreds of dollars every day and have a successful life ahead. Till next video, take care. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and join our social media networks. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook and join us on Telegram. All the links are given in description.